How's it going, guys? Stay that drain guy. We're in a condo today, and we have bathroom sink plugged up. Wow. All right. So that's that. Gonna do the plunger trick. Wet the paper towel, cover the overflow, some water in there. Nice. Got some hair. Oh, that's hilarious. So now we're just going to fill it up to the overflow, let it make sure everything's draining there fine. Kid's toothbrush. We're almost at the overflow. Good swirl. Everything looks good down there. All right, perfect, guys. So hope you guys liked the video. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.